Lenovo is planning to launch a flagship tablet with MediaTek Dimensity 9000, Android 13 and a 3K display. A recent leak from Google Play Console revealed that Lenovo is preparing to bring a flagship MediaTek-powered Android tablet. While the company has not commented on the device, the Google Play Console listing reveals that the device will arrive as Lenovo Tab Extreme with a high-resolution display. Unfortunately, Google Play Console listings do not reveal details, such as their battery capacities or cameras. But according to the listing, the Lenovo Tab Extreme has the model number TB570F. Additionally, the listing describes the tablet as having a display that operates at 3000 by 1876 pixels with a 320 ppi. If that is the case, then it would seem the Lenovo Tab Extreme has an 11-inch panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio. The same listing shows a product render with thin display bezels, a landscape-mounted front-facing camera and hardware buttons orientated in the same way as an iPad Pro. In terms of hardware, the Lenovo Tab Extreme will have Dimensity 9000. The Dimensity 9000 utilizes one ARM Cortex-X2 Prime core, 3 Cortex-A710 cores, 4 Cortex-A510 cores and a Mali G710 GPU, all based on a 4nm manufacturing process. Based on the same Google Play Console listing, it seems that Lenovo will offer the tablet with at least 8GB of RAM, and Android 13 out of the box. The release date is still a bit sketchy, but Lenovo will probably release Tab Extreme in 2023. That's all we have for now. Subscribe for more update. Thanks for watching. Please like, leave a comment and watch our other videos.